Hello guys, this is paper 2014 May-June summer paper, practical test paper 2 and the variation 2-1. So in this paper we will learn MS Access part that starts from question number 30. It's a database topic. You're going to prepare some reports for the company. Make sure all the currency values are in euros to two decimal places. So this is very important. Euros to two decimal places, currency is euros, and we have to set defaultly to all the currencies to two decimal places. Okay, it's an important one. We have to note it when we are setting the data for the table. We are gonna add these currency and decimal places. Now 13. Using a suitable database package, import the file g14 activities.csv. Importing it is, so it takes few steps to import. Now let's do it. First, we have to open MS Access. Just open a blank database and just we can give a name to it. 2014 Access, we can give a name. 2014, we can write paper 2-1 Access. Create. Here, straight go to external data, new data source, from file, text file. Now we have to browse our folder, browse your folder. Is this one activities, G14 activities. Open. You can see there .csv. CSV stands for comma separated values. Now let this import source data be selected. Okay, you'll be open with the comma separated values of this. Is this perfect till here? Next, in this first row contains field names. Next, when you get course code in the blank, click advanced. Now here is the one field information where we set the data types of every field, checking in the question paper. Now let's go to the question paper. Course code, text, activity, text, type, text, level, text, location, text. 1 2 3 4 5. Text or short text, fine. Short text. Here you can just drop down and see the list. 1 2 3 4 5. The location is just text. We can keep it text. If there is no simple text, just short text is fine. Now residential, boolean or logical, yes no type. Format is yes no. So residential is here. Here we have yes no type. Daily cost is a number. Daily cost is a currency, so better we'll take currency. Daily cost, just select currency. Duration is an integer, simple number, so that an integer. Insurance, again, it's a currency. Let's see once again. Yes, it's just currency. Select currency. Yes, all are perfect. Click OK. Now, next. Here, three are there about primary key. Primary key is the first column in the table which identifies the complete record uniquely. If you see your ID 1, 2, 3, in this no number repeats, every number is unique. With that we can identify the complete record uniquely in the table. So let us see in the question paper about anything primary key. Paste a screenshot, insert the data. We don't have anything about primary key, so here we take no primary key. See, the ID gone, and then now just course code is the starting one. Next, yeah, this is the name. Import a table to this. We can just click finish, close. Here you can see a table appearing. Perfect. Now, here this is a text, but we are getting in text. Few get, few don't get. Those who get like this, we have a way to change this to a text. Click. Table fields. Table fields. Click table fields. Here. Change to text. See here? Yes, no. Save. And here is showing the dollars. Here it's showing the dollars. Here by default 2 decimal places are there. Those who don't have, also we can set to 2 decimal places, and also we will change this to euros. Go to view, design view. View, design view. Yeah, come here. Currency. This is currency. Now go down here under format. Just click the down arrow. Here you see euro. And decimal places, it's 2. And the same thing we'll do for insurance. Format currency, format euro, and decimal places 2. Close this cross button here, then click OK. Now let's see. Yes, here there are euros in both, and it is set to 2 decimal places. So now this is a perfect importing the database. We have this many records. Save it. Now let's go to the question paper. Check your data. This is done fully. Place a screenshot showing the field names and data types used into your evidence document. Okay, now we have to work on our evidence having the data types and the fields. Go to view, design view. This is what they want. So here I'm using light shot. Click first on your keyboard, press print screen button. Now, how much you need, just crop only that. Copy. Now I have to open my folder to open evidence. Is this evidence? Question number 31. Question number 31. Here is where we have to paste Control V. Perfect. Save the work. Back to the question. You can just highlight it. Now, question number 32. Insert the following three records. Here we will insert using a form or directly entering in the records in datasheet view. So I'll follow just entering in the datasheet view, copy each and every value from here and paste it in the particular column. Close. Go to the bottom. This is the first record. Paste. $52,720. I'm copying from keyboard. Control C, Control V. Control C, Control V. Here also I guess same. Yes, 92,615. Yes, 92,615. The last record. This is air. Bristol. Yes, 77.5. For I-20. Yes, we can save it. Check your data entry for errors and save the data. We saved it. Now, the center located in Leeds has closed. Leeds. Find any activities located in Leeds and delete them from the database. Here, location, and click the down arrow. Here, I want to know the activities in just Leeds. Yes, I got only one. Select like this from extreme left corner, right click, then delete. Yes, fine. Get the database back. So here in this location there is no leads. See there is no leads. Done. Save your work. Here is 36 question from MS Access topic 2014 May-June summer paper 2-1. Hello guys, let's continue. 30 to 35 we learned in the previous video as a part 1, and this will be part 2. 36. Produce a report from the data. Before producing a report, we need a base table, base data with all these constraints or conditions till here. So having all these constraints or conditions, we create a query. The part of the table having particular conditioned data is a query. So first, to have a report, we have to have a query. So let's create a query first. And here point 1, 2, this point 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here we have to start with. Fine, this point we have to consider, but in Access we have to create a query. So we can just close this. Now create, under create, here query design, table, which is the base table, activities selected, add, then close it. Fine. Now let's go to the question paper. Here, from here onwards, we have to start. Shows only the fields course code, activity, type, location. Now in this order only we have to pick the fields from the box. So course code, activity, type, course code, so it is appearing over here, activity, type, location, level, daily course, location, level and daily course. Duration and course cost in this order with all the data and labels displayed in full. Course cost, more details about it is in the first one. Okay, so first till duration will take, then we will create a new field, course cost. Duration is here. Now in the last field we have to create course cost. Let's type course underscore cost. Here we are creating a new field. About it more in the first point. Contains a new field called course cost, which is calculated at runtime. This field will calculate the daily costs multiplied by duration plus the insurance. So this is a big formula. Fine. So this into this plus this is course cost. Fine. Course cost have to enter any formula over here. Course cost here colon we have to press colon. Fine. 2 dots colon. Then open square bracket. 1 daily cost, this one. So here we'll type daily underscore cost, close the square bracket, multiplied by, press shift 8 star you will get, and else duration, multiplied by duration, another square bracket, duration, type in without any spelling mistakes, close the square bracket. Now furthermore formula plus the insurance, plus shift plus, then again inside square brackets insurance, don't do spelling mistakes, insurance, close the square bracket. This is the one. Fine. Now let me check how this is working, this new column I created with the formula, how it's working. I have to check here. When you save it, it will ask you for the name of the query. So I'll give query 1 report 1. Fine, I can just close it. Here is my query. Yeah, wonderful. See, this is what calculated. Multiplication of daily costs into duration. Here 43 into 2, that's 86. 86 plus plus insurance. We have insurance. To have insurance as well, we can just add that. Just going to view, design view. Here I will just add insurance, then I will just keep it invisible. Here is insurance, and to just make the column invisible in the output, we can just uncheck this. Okay, let me just close this, save, and where is my report? Here is a 7. So 43 into 2, it's 86 plus 86 plus 7. It is 93. Perfect calculation here. Fine. So our formula is perfect. So I can just make it invisible, this totally. Fine. It's not needed. Just for verification, I added this column. I just make it invisible. Fine. See this. Uncheck this. Save. Fine. This is perfect here. Next. This is done for me. And first, this perfectly done. And also this is done. Has the course cost field displayed as currency? This one. course cost. Now we can go to view, design view. This is the course cost. Select, then up there straight, property sheet. Here, format, as we know it's currency. Fine. Currency. Close. And again, just close. Save. Here it is showing in dollars. We can make it in euros. Is it only as a currency field? Currency field here. We'll make it directly to euros. Fine. Save it. Yeah, euros over here. Next. This is done. Shows only the records where the level is extreme. Level is extreme. Residential, yes. Extreme, just copy. Copy, extreme. Okay, now we will go to design view, design view. Yeah, level, under level column. Here under criteria, paste it. Extreme 1. Next, residential is yes. Okay, where is residential? We don't have residential, so we have to get the column over here, but we have to keep it invisible. So here it is. Sorry, this is yes. It's yes. Fine, I'll make it invisible later. Duration is 10 days or less. 10 days or less. Duration, where is duration? Here is duration. Less than or equal to 10 days or less. Fine. Next. And exclude those activities located in Ireland. Copy this. Ireland, excluding them. Location. So if you just take it, it's having all Ireland, but here we have to go for not Ireland. Now let me see whether this is working. Yeah, if I go for extreme, just all extreme, wonderful. And duration is maximum 10. See, residential here, only yes, having only yes. Fine. And the location, we excluded Ireland. See, there is no Ireland at all here. So this output is perfect, but this residential shouldn't be seen. So for that we go to view, design view, and just uncheck this. Save. Yes. This is the perfect report query data. Now all this is done. Source the data. From here onwards, it's all about the report features. Fine. First we will start the report, then we'll get back here. Now this is a perfect data for me. I will just yes, this all. I'll just close it. Yes. Yeah, to create the report, first of all, here this is the one from where report from here onwards. You can just delete all this. From it fits on a single page. First we have to prepare the report. For that, just close all, keep a free space over here, then go to create report wizard, and our base data is query one report one. This is already selected. Then take all the columns, selected fields. Next, report wizard. Do you want any grouping levels? No, just continue. Here we are setting the ascending descending, right? It's given location is in ascending and daily cost is in descending. Just click on ascending, it will turn to descending. Toggle button we call this. Next, yeah, as it is in the question paper, fits in single page, and orientation is landscape. Fine, sorting is done. Here landscape, and this one fits on a single page. Next, has the heading extreme outdoor activities. Copy this at the top of the page. This calculation will do in the report. Once the report. Here we will add the title for the report. This is the one. Copy. In this we'll paste it. Extreme outdoor activities. Then modify the report's design. Finish. Yeah, here is the one we got. Report in design view. Here just this is done. This is done. Yeah, this also done. Fine. Like once we'll see how it is looking. View, layout view. Yeah, see, this is the title. Just now we got. We can just adjust them to just see them properly. After this, I can just move this a little bit. Yes. Okay, rest all visible. Can just move it a little bit further. Yeah, now everything is perfect on single page. Save. This is layout view. Page layout. Go home. Yes, I can change view to design. Only here we see the structure of the report. What are the column names and where all placed. You can just pull it down to just have a space around. Yeah, next. Here calculates the average daily cost positioned below the daily cost column and format it as currency. Okay, here select this column. It's actually data. Okay, daily cost average they want, select it, go to here totals, average. See there at the bottom you are getting that. This is a calculation. Fine, save. Next, this is done, and we will set it as a currency. Set it as a currency. Has a label to the left of this number, average cost per day. Copy this. Copy this. Here, left. So here we have to take one label. Label it as, and just drag it for that. Then paste that text what you brought from there, and just adjust it straight to the output, the calculation. Fine, save. And we have to set this as currency. Fine, currency. Okay, I'll show without that first. Okay, save, and let me see in layout view how this calculation is done. Go to the bottom, see here, adjust this properly. Yeah, pound we got, and this is the label to that. Then we can just close to it, or just put it in the same line. Fine. Now I have to set this as a currency. Now I will open this in design view. Select it. Go to property sheet, format, currency. Close. Save. View, design. Sorry, the layout view. It's coming as dollars. We'll change it to euros only. Save. View, layout euro. Okay, here's the calculation. Now you can just has your name, center number, and candidate number to the right, top right. Yeah, go to home, design view, go to the top over here. Here, just take a label, drag it, and write your name, center number, candidate number, fine, and just adjust it to the corner. Perfect. Save, check in layout here. See, everything is perfect. Now let's go to question paper. This is done. Save and print this report. Here this is layout view, and just if you want to see how it will be printed, okay, just go to file, print preview. So look at this. See, page only one, page 1 of 1, and this will be printed. This will be printed with the average daily cost. All the data is perfect, clear. Okay, close. Okay, this is done. Hello guys, we're going to continue MS Access 2014 paper 2-1 till 37 question was done in the previous video, part 2. So this will be part 3, 38 step. Produce and extract from all the data which selects only those activities containing snow or ice located in Scotland where the type is thrill, shows only the fields course code, level, activity in this order. So here we have to produce and extract from the base table. So that means we are going to create another query. Okay, this conditioned information can be extracted through a query only. So these are all the criteria. Now let's go to MS Access. We have created once a query already. Same, we are going to start with create. Keep the environment empty over here. It's a free area. Create query design. J14 activities is the base table for us. Add, then close. Here, what is the list of fields we have to take? First, course code, level, activity. Course code, level, activity in this order. Fine. Course code, level, activity. Now let's go to the top. This question is done. Selects only those activities containing snow or ice. Activities. Under activity, save. Here I'm giving query 2. Query 2. Fine. Okay. Here I can just try and check. This is the whole data from the base table J14 activities. Whole data. Now we will just restrict it by these conditions. Now let me go to design view. Level activity after this order. We'll go for the top. Selects only those activities containing snow or ice. Snow, either snow or ice, or both you can have. Yes, those records only should be extracted. So here under activities we have to type in one formula, criteria formula. Whenever you compare text, comparison happens with the text in the table, we have to use like, and it is a few words. It is few words, so we have to add one star, the first quotes, double quotes, then star, then we have to type in snow, again close the star, close double quotes. One, this is one word. Or again like again another word is there, snow. So double quotes first, star, then ice, capital I, C, C small e, then close star, sorry, close star, and then close quotes. Yes, this way. You can see that clearly. How's the formula? This criteria formula for comparing the text. Just let me save this, save it, and let me run this. Yeah, we can see over here having the records only. Either see ice skating, ice would should be there. Snow showing, ice hockey. Yes, wherever one term is there, either ice or snow or both are there, the records will appear. Yeah, perfect output for us. Now let's go to the question. Located in Scotland. Located in Scotland. Located in, this is also done. Located in Scotland, where the type is thrill. Scotland, location we don't have, I guess. In this, we see, we don't, level is there, location is not there. So let me take location and I will just make it invisible by unchecking this. But here, what is the location? Location is Scotland. Double quotes, or just start typing Scotland, then press enter. Automatically double quotes appear, a pair of double quotes on either sides. Scotland. Fine. So let me just check my output by running it. Yeah, all the Scotlands over here. Now I will make it invisible. Just go back to design, then uncheck this. Fine. Now another last, the type is thrill. Fine, the type is thrill. Where is the type? In this type is not again. So I'll take type. Fine, and I'll type in there thrill. Yes, now let me check whether this criteria is ordered, added, save, run. Yes, all having thrills. Now let me go back and uncheck this as well. Fine, my query output is perfect. Just save. We can just run and see only this is left, but other columns are giving their data. Now let me go to the question. All this done. Sorts the activity in ascending alphabetical order. Activity in ascending order. Activity, go to design view. Activity, this is activity. Sorting. Sorting in, see there, sort. Sort towards left. Sort, field, table, sort, show, doesn't show, or criteria. So here under activity, sorting should be in ascending. Fine. Sorting should be ascending. So now save the work, then run this. Activity, you can see in ascending order, AINSSS. So this is alphabetical ascending order. Now let's go to the question paper. Even this is done. Save the data in a form which can be imported into the document that you saved in step 29. So we have to export this to a document, and from there we have to import into another, the old document we worked, MS Word document in this paper. Fine. Now let's export this. Question number 39. Save this data in a form which can be imported into the document that you saved in step 29. Here, how to get this to MS Word. Query 2 is a query table. Right click, export to MS like Word RTF file. So open the destination when you add this, so that it will be open on your screen. Okay, yes, replace it. Here is the one. It will open like this. Fine. This data, we have to place it in our old MS Word document that we edited till 29th step. So we will just copy, select here, click, then select, then copy. Then we have to keep open this. This is the document flyer. Yes, where we have to place this. Let me find. See, this is what we have to type in the navigation bar. It will show the place. Where is it? Okay, click and go to the next line. We can close this and how to paste that table. Control V. Yeah, save. This is done, and even this is done. Make sure that all required fields and their labels are fully visible, and that there is a single 11-point line space above and below extract. Okay, 11 point and one single line above and below, and all the labels are displayed here. Fine. See, after seeker there is no line at all. Just click and press enter. One single line we got. Fine. And below we have, see there, two spaces, so we can reduce one by just deleting. Press delete. Okay, save. This is done. Spell check and proofread the document. Spell check and proofread the document. Here, see, this is out of the paragraph, the column border. So for that, we can just adjust them in the column width. Select, go to layout. Here, auto fit to window. Yes, now it's perfectly fitting there. Now, spell check and proofread we have to do. Go to review, spelling and grammar. Wide open, no, just ignore once. Ignore, done. Perfect. Yeah, paragraphs, tables do not overlap to columns or pages. Paragraphs with borders are not split into two columns or pages. Yes, we had one, I guess. Here, this was there, but now it's perfect. Now any paragraphs or tables are not overlapping. Here is the one table. Here is, after this also, I guess one we need. One up and down. And here two are there. Just reduce one. Yes. Here, bulleted lists are not split over two columns or pages. There is no windows or orphans. Here, bullets first. Here are the bullets. Yes, it's not at all splitting. And orphans are the ones. Just one word is left over in the other side of the column. So here we have a long text over there. So this is not called orphan. Yes. So one single word is left over from the whole paragraph on the other side of the second column, in the second column, that's called orphans. Or if it will be left over in the next page, one word like that. So we don't have anything like this. Yes. So perfectly all right. There are no windows or options. There is no blank pages. Any blank pages do we have? There is no blank page as well. This is the last one. This is the second one. Make sure all formatting is consistent throughout your document. Yeah, we already checked everything. Everything is perfect. This one, see, it seems a green color. Just change this to black. Fine. Rest everything is perfectly formatted. Save and print the document. It's the last one. So 41. Save and print the document is the last step in this. So this document we have to. So we are out of access. Now how to save? It's already been saved. Then how to print it? Print. Here these are the print preview pages. It's shown perfectly aligned in the width of the columns, the tables and all. Yes, just click on this print for printing. 2 pages. It's done.